Hello, this is Megha Pandre, and today we will be doing a new poem called Macavity the Mystery Cat. Okay, now here we start with the explanation of the poem called Macavity a Mystery Cat. Now, first, before we start with the explanation of the poem, we will go through an introduction about T.S. Eliot. Now, he was born on 26 September 1914 in Missouri, America. He was an American British poet, essayist, publisher, and an editor, and died on 4th of January 1965. This poem, Macavity, is a mystery cat because no crime agency was able to arrest this criminal mastermind during or after his committing a crime. Okay, now here we begin with the explanation of the poem line by line. I will explain you each of the line. Okay, now Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Now Macavity is a mystery cat. People don't know much about the cat. He is called hidden paw. Hidden paw means hidden nails inside his paw which are hidden. While walking you can't see the nails which are hidden. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Defy means disobey. As he is the master criminal who can easily violate the law, like criminals who are not afraid of law and order. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. Now here, bafflement means confusion. Bafflements to confuse. Scotland Yard is the headquarter of London Police Force. And flying squad. Flying squad here, the meaning of it is a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. Now, he was like a puzzle for these agencies. The cat Macavity was like a puzzle to whom? To these agencies like the London Police Force who are ready to move into action. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. When the police force reached the when the police force reached the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Now, Macavity type of a cat is one of its kind. There is no one like Macavity because he breaks each and every law. He has broken every human law. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Now, not only does he breaks the human law, but also breaks the law of gravity. He is not afraid of any law and order because the law of gravity does not work on him. He just disappears. He just vanished from the place after committing a crime. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Now, who are fakir? Fakir is an Islamic term traditionally used for a Sufi Muslim. And levitation means floating in air without support. Now, observing the power of Macavity, even the fakir got surprised because Macavity had the power to float in the air and not to get caught red-handed. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. And when the police tried to catch Macavity red-handed, Macavity disappeared from the crime of scene. He simply disappears. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. Now here a person is searching for Macavity into the basement. Now, when you are searching Macavity whether in the basement or up in the air. Again, he has managed to escape from the place and he is nowhere to be found. But I'll tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Now, although you search anywhere, you won't be able to find him because he is never there. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Now here the poet describes the cat, that what type of cat he is, a ginger cat. So called ginger cat because of the color, which is light brown, and he has described like features like the McCavity is tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Here you can see. If you ever get a chance to see McCavity, you can see the eyes are deep inside her, are deep inside the face. His brows is deeply lined with thoughts. His head is highly domed. Now, and if you see the forehead here, there are lines. Here, there are lines, which shows that the cat is in deep thought. And head is highly domed. This. Dome means the shape of the head. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Now here, the coat here is the fur of the cat. McCavity is so much busy in crime that his coat have turned dusty as he is not having time to look after himself. And his whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers are these whiskers. Whiskers are uncombed means his cheek hair are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movement like a snake. Sways means moves. Here, McCavity moves his head from side to side like the movement like a snake. McCavity has a habit of moving his head from side to side like the movement of a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. And when you see McCavity sleeping, but in reality, he is wide awake. He is just pretending to sleep, but he is awake. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Now, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity, and it is difficult to find any other cat like McCavity because he is one of its kind, magical or mysterious, anything you can call. For he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Now, fiend means devil, depravity means corrupt, and feline is a member of cat family. Now here the poet says that the cat is a monster in the shape of a cat, and monster of depravity means an animal who is corrupt, who is having all immoral values inside himself, or who is having all the immoral values. You may meet him in a by street, you may seek him in the square. Now, you may see cat in the small street parallel to the main street, that is called the by street, or you may see him in the square, means an open area near the road, a place where people interact with each other. So that is called square. But When a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. So the poet tries to tell that on usual days, you may see him on the streets or in the square, but when there is a crime, McCavity is not there since he has disappeared. Okay, here I end up with the explanation part of the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat.